A few people have asked me what containers I use in my Varoma. Here are two of the Decor microwave safe containers, but you can use glass jars, anything you want. I often use jars, but as long as they fit in your Varoma, they are fine. The next step is to make my yogurt base. So I put about 400 grams of my UHT milk in my Thermomix. I add to that anywhere between 50 to 100 grams of skim milk powder. Then I put in 50 to 100 grams of my pre-made pot set yogurt or yogurt culture. I often use yogurt culture. Mix this well before you add the remainder of your UHT carton of milk. Then mix again to combine. After mixing it well, pop it into your molds in your Varoma, wash out your bowl and set your Thermomix to ferment for 12 hours. You'll need about 500 grams of water in the bottom of your Thermomix bowl to do this job. After the 12 hours, I typically do this while I'm in bed at night, so I don't have to use my Thermomix for something else. After your Thermomix has turned off, so 12 hours are up, this is what your yogurt will look like. It's still quite warm at this stage and it's not set completely. It will only set once you've put it into the fridge. You can see that this container is a 1.5 litre container, and you can actually fill it up a little bit more than this, but I just tend to use 1 litre UHT milk, so it goes up to there, but of course you could fit more in if you needed to. Just be aware that if you do add more liquid to your mold, you may need more time, so just be aware of that. So I'm going to pop this in the fridge now until it's chilled, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so fast forward about 3 hours and I have got this yogurt ready to go. It's creamy and smooth and delicious. If you want it much thicker than that, straining it is a good option. I typically make all my yogurts plain. That way I can add flavour when I go to serve them and it leaves my options open.